Bonjour guys, Pulpy Camille here, and today we're gonna make something amazing, or at least we're gonna try to. Anyways, so yeah, I'm totally on my bed. Okay, so we're gonna try to make a handbag with some fabric I own from a thrift store, and I've already tried something with this fabric. Well, it's not some fabric, it's a skirt. And I tried to make it tighter to make something. It didn't fit well and it was disgusting. So I'm just gonna undo what I did, and we'll have the fabric and we'll be able to start all over again. So to make a little handbag. So my idea is to make, well, a bag. I already told you. But not a little one, like a little one, but not little, you see. And I want it to be like built in. I don't know if I make myself clear, but I want it to be a built-in bag. I was about to say a built-in bra, but not bra, a bag, yeah. Okay, let's get on this. I'll show you the fabric. So here is the fabric, and beneath the skirt there is another fabric that's black, and I will use it too. So first of all, I went ahead and drew on the cupboard how I wanted my bag to look like, and I cut it, and then I used it as a model to cut my fabric. So I cut the two fabrics and I sewed them together. Then I turned it inside out and I placed the cardboard in it. So then I sewed some sides. Then I sewed sides to the bag with some more fabric. It was kind of hard to find out how to sew it. For the first side I sewed the exterior fabric and then the inside fabric. Besides, for the second side I made one piece and then I sewed it to the bag. Then I went ahead and closed the opening of it, like where the cardboard had been going in, and then I glued with some fabric glue a little magnet on my bag, and I glued one another on the on the other side of, I don't know how to say that. Yeah, and then I took some ribbon and I glued it with some fabric glue again, and it took me some time because I waited for it to get dry and then glue another portion of it extra, and then there was the blue ribbons to glue too. So yep, took me a little time. Then I went ahead and glued other magnets because one wasn't enough. And then, yeah, there is that very pretty brooch that I used because it looked like a lot like Gucci brooches, and so I glued some pearls on the bag so as to be able to place the brooch without making holes in the bag. And I can change the brooch and use whichever brooch I want this way, and so it's nice. I didn't put any straps to the bag, but it's nice this way. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video, and you'll see me soon, and I'll see you soon, yeah, in the next one. Bye.